Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTX.
Today I will show you how to create a Google form without any coding, without any hesitation. So let's see. First of all, browse the Google Docs website. Now click the left menu and click to Google Forms. Already many templates are there. Google already created some templates. You can use any template from this site. Many templates. So today I will show you how to create a contract form without any coding, without any hesitation. So let's see. It's a simple task. First of all, check the template. Name, email, address, contact number, all the information are here. Also you can check the responses who already submitted, or you can upload any image. From Google search. You can insert any image into any section. Also you can download, also you can delete. All the facility are here. So now we'll change the header image. Click on image uploaded and choose any images from the Google Store. Yes, change our header image. Also you can change the font style. Thank you. You can change all the details from this side. You can change all the text. Name, your full name. You can choose any option. Short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload. All the facility are here. Now kindly attention. The required section. If it is enabled, then participant must be flip of this section. Otherwise, participant ignore of this section. Also, you can use response validation. You can define any text definition, number or limitation. Email a default response validation. It's a required function. Full address. Check, it's a paragraph because of address is the long text. It's optional. Phone number, the response validation. You can decide by you can define any digit number for the contact number. Last comment section. Our form is almost ready. So check. Now you can check settings. Check the collect email address, response recipient. You can choose the required sign-in limit on response. Presentation, you can choose the progress bar. Our form is one page, so progress bar is not important. Now you can send this form any email from your collect email address. Also you can generate the short link. This is the embedded HTML. Also you can use any website. Let's see our form. If you take the include from in mail, then total details are included in the email. Check. Wow. Now we will try the test submission using all the field details: email address, name. You can check the email validation. Must be fill up the correct format. Sorry, our email is the duplicate. No problem. After completing all the details, now check the send me a copy, then submit. Now check the creator platform. He get a notification for response. You can check all the details with graph from the responses option. Thanks for watching our video. You can also create many other videos, many other templates. Also you can use file uploading option. So next video I will show you how to upload a file into the Google Form. Thank you. Bye bye.